There are two sums here. Practice set 15.5. And here is question number 1. I'll just draw the figure. Kind of like this, right? And then we have something like this. So there is a height here. Just kind of ignore the drawing. Yeah. So again, there is a height here, QA, and there is a height here, R, right? And this is S, this is T, this is B, this is P. Okay, I'll read out the question for you kids. Find the area of given plots. All the measures are in meters. So basically we need to find area of this plot PQRST, right? That is our aim. So in order to find area of this plot, children, we'll have to understand that what is this plot made out of, right? As you can see, there is this beautiful triangle PQA, right? Then again, there is this triangle. I can see one more triangle and one more triangle. So area of triangle का तो formula हमारे पास है. I haven't yet marked the measurements. I'll do that, don't worry. But as of now, I'm discussing about this particular figure, QACR. Can someone here help me? What type of figure is QACR? QACR. Anyone? Omkar from Chembur is absolutely correct. He said it is a trapezium. I was expecting the answer to be a quadrilateral from kids, but then to be very precise, it is a trapezium, right? अब पता कैसे चलता है कि trapezium है? The definition of trapezium, children, is if two lines are parallel, then the quadrilateral is nothing but a trapezium, right? A pair of opposite sides if they are parallel to each other. So I can see a 90-degree here as well as here. They are corresponding angles. And therefore RC is parallel to QA. I hope you all remember the F, right? F दिखाई दे रहा है. So these two angles are equal. मतलब ये line और ये line parallel है, isn't it? And now since they are parallel, तो एक pair of opposite side parallel है, and the other two we can clearly see they are not parallel. They'll be intersecting at a certain point, right? Therefore, this quadrilateral is a trapezium, and area of trapezium का formula हमारे पास है. So basically, we can find area of this plot very easily. Now let me mark the measurements provided to us in the question. अच्छा, PA का value is given to us as 30. Then QA का value is given to us as 50, right? So basically, area of triangle QAP easily ढूंढ सकते हैं. Okay, next, AB का value has been provided to us as 30, and BC का value has been provided to us as 30 again, right? Then CS का value, children, this segment has been provided to us as 60, right? And RC का value is 25. TB का value is 30. Now, before we move ahead, right? If I consider this bigger triangle PTS, तो उसका हाइट है TB, लेकिन उसका बेस कौन है? PS. So we know PS का वैल्यू, बट डायरेक्टली गिवन नहीं है. PS ढूंढने के लिए हम लोग को किसको किसको ऐड करना पड़ेगा? 30, 30, 30 एंड 60, राइट? तब जाके PS मिलेगा. Likewise, टॉकिंग अबाउट द ट्रेपेजियम, राइट? ट्रेपेजियम के बारे में जब हम बात करेंगे, तो दो पैरेलल लाइंस के बीच में जो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस होता है, दैट इज हाइट. So in order to find height, मतलब AC locate करने के लिए, I'll have to add up this 30 and this 30. ये दोनों 30s को add करना पड़ेगा, right? So I'll just do the addition part first, and then we'll talk about the areas of each and individual figure, right? So Let's say I start with the bigger segment, which is PS. So I write PS is equals to PA plus AB plus BC plus CS, right? The reason for that, children, is betweenness. मतलब P dash A dash B, उसके बाद कौन है C, and at the end S, right? Now, what is the value of PA? 30. Perfect. What is the value of AB? Again 30. Right. What is the value of BC, children? Again 30. And at the end, what is the value of CS? CS ka value 60, right? Nishita is correct. Now, adding those 30 plus 30 is 60, right? 60 and 60 is 120. 120 plus 30 is 150. So हम, child, you have raised hand. अगर कुछ query है तो type करके भेज दो. So PS is 150 meters. I mark it as our equation 1. Right? Moving on to the next segment, which was AC. AC, can I write it as AB plus BC? Right? A dash B dash C. Now AB ka value is 30, BC ka value is 30. So that is 60 meters. Equation number 2. I hope everybody has understood this. Right? Now you can select any triangle or any subfigure first. You can start with this triangle or the bigger triangle at the bottom, or this smaller triangle or the trapezium, right? Let's say I start with this triangle first. So okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just write the solution here so that I can refer to the figure again and again whenever needed, right? So area of triangle PAQ is equals to half into base into height, right, children? So that is half into, यहाँ पर base, right? PAQ triangle के लिए the base has to be PA and the height has to be QA. So half into PA into QA. So half into PA का value is 30 into again QA का value is 50. So you can divide any, it is your choice, right? 2 ones are 2 15s are. Multiply both of them, you'll get an answer, right? 5 5 is 25, 5 ones are 5, 6 7 7 50. Okay, since it is area, it has to be meter square or square meter, however you want to write it. This is equation 3. Any doubts till this point, children? Just say a yes or a no, so that I understand whether to move ahead, right? Vedika has confirmed she has no doubts. Shreya has also confirmed. Okay, assuming all the other kids do not have any doubts. Yeah, now I move on to the other triangle, that is area of triangle RCS. Vedika, here is the previous page. Don't worry, I'll give you time to copy this. I'll show the previous page whenever needed. So area of triangle RCS is nothing but again half into base into height. The base would be CS, height would be RC, right? So half into base into height. Okay, so the base, as I said, has to be CS and the height has to be RC. Just so that you know, CS ka value is 60 and RS ka value, RC ka value is 25. So half into 60 into 25. 2 ones are 2 30s are, right? 30 into 25 is the same thing, I believe. 750 ही आएगा. Yeah, 750 meter square. Again, the same thing. That is area of triangle RCS. Hope everybody has understood till this point as well. Any doubts, please ask. Right? Yeah. Assuming all the kids have understood. Now I'll be talking about triangle PTS, the bigger triangle. Right? So, area of triangle PTS is half into base into height. Right? That would be half into. Children, the base PTS triangle के लिए has to be PS and the height has to be BT, right? PS into BT. Now, if you look at the figure, PS का value directly तो given नहीं है, but if you all remember, we have already found it out, 150 meters, right? And BT का value is directly given to us in the figure, 30. I hope everybody has understood कि मैं यहाँ पर from 1 क्यों लिख रहा हूँ, because 150 का जो value है, I bought it from equation 1, right? 2 ones are 15s are. Okay. 15 into 15, I guess is 225 if I'm not wrong. Somebody help me here. Right. 225 and then there is a 0. So there is this meter square. Area of triangle PTS, and that be our equation 5. So children, now if you look at the figure, I found out triangle PQA, PAQ, whatever the name be. I found out RCS and I found out PTS. Now, which figure is left out? The trapezium, right? So let us talk about area of this trapezium named as QACR, right? So area of quadrilateral or trapezium QACR will be half into sum of parallel sides into height. I hope all the kids remember the formula, right? So that is half into. Now, the parallel sides are QA and RC. So half into bracket में आएगा QA plus RC into the height is basically the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. तो दोनों parallel lines के बीच में जो perpendicular distance है, that is nothing but AC, right? So height is AC. Now, half into QA and RC का value directly given है 50 and 25. 50 plus 25 into AC का value अगर आपको याद हो लास्ट पेज पे फाइंड किया था, it was 60, right? So 60 half into 50 plus 25 is 75 into 60. So 2 ones are 2 30s are, right? So the final answer here is 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22 meter square, right? So that's area of trapezium. Now I've got all of them children one by one. अब 1 2 3 और 4 चारों के जो आंसर्स आए हैं उनको ऐड करेंगे तो आई विल बी एबल टू फाइंड द प्लॉट, इजंट इट? यस या नो? राइट. यहाँ पे रीजन आएगा फ्रॉम 2 बाय द वे, बिकॉज ये जो 60 है comes from equation 2. Now moving on to the next part. Yeah. Can I state that how is the height AC? Deepika, listen very carefully, child. अगर ट्रपीजियम कुछ ऐसा ड्रॉ करते हम, right? Deepika, if the trapezium was something like this, तो height कहाँ से कहाँ पर होता? Something like this, isn't it? Correct, Deepika? यस, अब दीपिका क्वेश्चन में हुआ ये है कि उसका ओरिएंटेशन चेंज हो गया है, बस दो पैरेलल लाइंस को ऐसे दिखाया है, ठीक है। So this is the first line and this is the second line. So these two lines are parallel to each other like they were here, बराबर। And एक जो side है, instead of showing it somewhat tilted, they have directly shown it as 90 degree and इसको tilted दिखाया। tilted मतलब फिर भी ये लोग parallel नहीं है। And again it becomes a trapezium. Now for this trapezium आप ऐसे देखते हो normally this orientation and you very easily say that it is a height, but अगर orientation change कर दिया तो क्यों तकलीफ हो रहा है? So height का definition is very simple, Deepika. The perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is nothing but the height. Hope Deepika आपको समझ में आया हो? Yes. That is how AC becomes the height, because दो parallel lines के बीच का perpendicular distance, right? So what I was trying to say here, kid, was that that okay, I'll just hold it because I want you all to see the figure as well. Here, area of plot P Q R S T, right? यही ढूंढना था, is equals to area of triangle PQA plus area of quadrilateral QACR. Area of quadrilateral QACR plus area of triangle RCS plus area of triangle, the bigger one, right? PTS. I hope everybody has understood this. Sorry, that was not visible, but I have added this smaller triangle, the quadrilateral and the bigger triangle. सबको अगर add कर दूं, तो basically मुझे ये बड़ा plot मिल जाएगा. Now I just have to substitute the values, right? So PQA का value was 750, right? This is 750. I remember RCS का value भी 750 है, so I've just directly substituted RCS का value. We need to substitute these two values, right? Quadrilateral and the other triangle. Other triangle का है 2250, quadrilateral का है 2250, right? So 2250, 2250, and those were from equation 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? So from 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hope that is clear. Now we have to just add them, right? So 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. So that becomes 3 and 3, 6, right? 6,000 meter square is your final answer. I hope that is clear to all of you. Now I request you kids to copy the sum, right? And then we move ahead. So here is the first page. I hope that is done. Yeah, perfect. I'll give you flat 10 seconds to copy the page, visible. Then I'll just move on to the next page. In case any kids need more time to copy, just inform. Right, Vedika has already finished and few other kids are finished. So I'll just display the second page, right? Yeah. So this is the starting of second page. So yeah, that's done. So I'll just move on to the next part, I believe. In case any kid haven't finished, don't worry, just let me know. I'll display the previous part again. Once this is done, just let me know so that we can move on to the next part. Anybody who needs more time, please request and do not complain कि time नहीं देते. You have to request, right? I hope it's done. There was only one kid who confirmed that it is done. Okay, Nishita has also finished it. Who else? Okay, Antara has finished it. And Vedika has finished it. Shreya, Deepika, Atharva. Right. So I can see there are few kids who have already finished it. Latika from Ghatkopar has finished. Moving on to the next slide and the next page, right here. Right. Antara is already finished. And Deepika from Saidam has finished it. Chandan from Vile Parle has finished it. Atharva has finished it. Latika too have finished it. Omkar has completed it. Shreya is done. Right. So I believe most of the kids might have finished till now. Right. Yeah. Moving on to the next sum, the final sum of the exercise. Here it is. 15.5, question number 2. Okay. There is a small correction here. I'll let you know what exactly. Let me first draw the figure. Something like this. and then there is this part. D, F, E, C, B, A. Okay, this is 24 given to us. This is 30 given to us. 90-degree given to us. Again, this is 26 given to us. And ये जो है 28 which is written here in the textbook. ऐसा लग रहा है FE का value है. It is not FE का value. It is CE का value. That is first correction. The second correction, CD के यहाँ पर 16 लिखा है, which is absolutely wrong. It is FD जिसका value 16 है, right? So FD is 16 and this is 90 being given to us. I hope that is clear. So I hope you kids have just marked the corrections in your textbook. The entire segment ka value is 28 and FD ka value is 16, not CD. Textbook mein CD ke yahan par 16 likha hai, which is wrong. Okay, now we try to solve the sum. Again, we need to find area of the plot. Now this plot, children, is made up of certain smaller figures. ABE is the first triangle जिसका area हम लोग ढूंढेंगे. BCE, the second triangle जिसका area हम लोग ढूंढेंगे. The third is CDE, again a triangle. Base का value पता है, height का value पता है, so we'll be finding area of 3 triangles, adding them together to find area of the plot. Right? Now, in order to find area of triangle ABE, right? If I consider the base as BE, राइट अगर बीई को बेस लिया, जैसे बहुत बच्चों के दिमाग में है कि ये ट्राइंगल के लिए बेस बीई है, तो चिल्ड्रन अगर बेस बीई है तो हाइट कौन से वर्टेक्स से आना चाहिए? If I consider the base as BE, then the height has to be dropped from which vertex? Beautiful, it has to be dropped from vertex A. That is correct, Sami and Nishita. तो A से एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप करना पड़ेगा, बट उसका वैल्यू हम लोगों को नहीं पता. Hence, I cannot consider BE as the base here. Now let us talk about some other side, either AB or AE. That is your choice. Let's say I select AB as the base. That is correct, Omkar. Perfect. तो अगर AB base लिया children, right? AB base लिया, तो base अगर AB होगा तो उसका height कहाँ से आना चाहिए? From which vertex? The vertex opposite to AB. तो AB के सामने जो vertex है is vertex E. तो यहां से एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप ऑलरेडी एक है, दिख रहा है सबको. So if this is the base, this is the height. I hope you all kids have understood this. So in order to find area of this triangle, right, पहले AE का वैल्यू पता होना चाहिए. अब AE का वैल्यू कैसे मिलेगा? ओमकार ने ऑलरेडी आंसर दे दिया है and Nishita too is correct. So there are two kids who have answered, Omkar and Nishita. My question again I'll ask, AE कैसे ढूंढ सकते हैं? How do I find AE? AE. How do I find AE? Only two kids have answered. Children, एक right angle triangle है जिसमें दो sides का value पता है and we need to find the third. अब इतना बता दिया है, ऐसा लग रहा है सिर्फ आंसर ही नहीं बोला है. Correct, Savni. Yeah, Deepika, that is correct. Shreya is also correct, right? So we first need to apply Pythagoras theorem in order to find AE. So let us do that. So in triangle BAE, measure angle BAE is 90, that is given to us. And therefore applying Pythagoras. I hope सबको पता है Pythagoras theorem क्या है. 90 के सामने वाले साइड को hypotenuse बोलते हैं. And Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse side square is equal to sum, right? Sum of the squares of the other two sides. The other two sides are AB and AE by Pythagoras theorem. Hope everybody has understood till this point, right? Okay. Now BE ka value is 30. So 30 square is equals to AB ka value is 24 plus AE. Yeah, that is correct. Some kid answered here that AE ka answer is 18. Absolutely correct. So you can just square 30, you can square 24, then subtract 30 square ka jo bhi value hai, that is 900 minus 24 का I guess is 576. राइट, दोनों को माइनस करके 18 का जो भी स्क्वायर होता है वो आंसर आ जाएगा. आई वोंट बी स्क्वायरिंग हियर, आई विल बी डीलिंग विद अ डिफरेंट मेथड. ये 24 स्क्वायर को मैंने लेफ्ट में शिफ्ट कर दिया है, राइट. So I can see they are in the form of a square minus b square. Yeah, thank you Omkar, that is fine. So I'll just do that. 324 था ना, 900 minus 576. चलो ओमकार का मेथड ही सिलेक्ट करते हैं. I was trying to go ahead with a square minus b square, which is a minus b into a plus b. Anyways, you can do it. You'll get the same answer. So that's 324 is equals to AE square. Taking square root on both the sides. We all know 324 is nothing but, नहीं 36 नहीं है बेटा, 18 है, 18 आएगा, right? 18 meters. Taking square roots, and that be our equation 1, right? Acha, once I've got AE, now tell me, can I find area of this triangle? Yes. So area of triangle ABE is half into base into height, which is half into the base is, let's say, AB, right? And the height is AE. Substitute the values, children. AB ka value 24 hai, AE ka value we have found it as 18, right? Substitute them. Let me know what the answer is. Be very. Yeah, that's correct. 216, right? So that's area of triangle ABE. And I mark it as equation number 2, and I'll put the reason as from 1. I hope that is clear. Now, we can just move ahead and find area of triangle CDE, which is half into base, which is CE, into height FD, right? So I will do that somewhere, let's say here. So here is the figure. Area of triangle CDE. CDE is equal to half into base into height. So that's like half into the base CE into height FD. Now let us substitute the values. CE is 28. That's correct, Omkar. And this is 16. So 2 ones are 2 14s are. And that is nothing but, I believe, 224, right, Omkar? Isn't it? Yes. So That would be our equation number 3. Right? Area of triangle CDE. I hope this much is clear to all of the kids. Okay, now if you look at the figure, right? I found ABE, I found CED. Now let us talk about this. अच्छा ये triangle में 90 degree given नहीं है. So I cannot apply half into base into height because I don't know any of the heights. If I draw perpendiculars, मेरे को एक भी height का value पता नहीं है. But you know what? I know values of all the 3 sides, and hence I can use one more formula which is related to area of triangle. Can anybody help me with that formula? What is the name of that formula? It is correct, Heron's formula, right? Now, what is Heron's formula for those kids who do not remember it, right? I would like to just refer this figure here. So I just put it like this. I would say in triangle BCE, right? In triangle BCE, let BC be equal to A, let's say जिसका value है 26 meters. Okay, let CE be equal to B, जिसका value है 28 meters, and let BE be equal to C, let's say जिसका value है 13 meters, right? So once I've selected ABC, I know first thing is I need to find S. A plus B plus C upon 26 plus 28 plus 30. I hope you kids remember S ka full form, which was semi-perimeter, right? So 40 to 54 and 3, 84 upon 2. And that's 42. So S is 42 meters. I mark it as equation 4, right? Then talking about area of triangle BCE, it is nothing but square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Let us substitute the values, right? S का वैल्यू है 42, 42 minus 26, right? 42 minus 28, 42 minus 30. Hope all the kids are with me and able to understand whatever I'm explaining, right? So 42, and this would be 430, right? 10, 16, 16, and this would be 2, 4, 14, if I'm not wrong, and this be 12. राइट अब सबका फैक्टर्स निकाल करके उसको रूट में से बाहर लाना है. You'll be able to find area of triangle BCE. I'll just leave this up to you kids to find it. We mark that equation 5 जो भी आंसर होगा. अब उसके आगे क्या करना है, right? What is the next part? Once you know CDE, right? Once you know CDE, we already knew ABE. अब BCE का वैल्यू भी ढूंढ लेंगे, करेक्ट? एक बार तीनों ट्रायंगल्स का वैल्यू मिला तो तीनों ट्रायंगल्स को ऐड करके इट वुड बी नथिंग बट द एरिया ऑफ प्लॉट. आई होप एवरी किड हैज अंडरस्टूड इट. So the further part, I assume you kids would be able to do it referring to the first sum, right? I'll give you time to copy or at least take screenshot of whatever we have done till now, right? So here is the first page. I request you kids to take the screenshot if you haven't written, and बाद में आराम से आप लोग लिख सकते हो. Right, so I'll give you 5-10 seconds to take a screenshot of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, I'll just move the page slightly in the upward direction. Yeah, so just take a screenshot of this part as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, I'll show it. Yeah, that is the homework. And उसके आगे भी add कर रहा हूँ. I'll just repeat the homework part. Yeah, take screenshot of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hope every kid has taken a screenshot by now. And here is the last part. So the homework is to find area of triangle BCE as well as to find area of plot. Area of plot के लिए आपको इसका वैल्यू, ऊपर जो दो ट्राइंगल्स ढूंढे हैं एरिया, उनका वैल्यू ऐड करना है, राइट? तो तीनों ट्राइंगल्स का एरिया का वैल्यू ऐड करोगे, यू विल बी एबल टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ प्लॉट. दैट इज योर होमवर्क. So we are done with 15.5, question number 1, entire 15.5 to be precise. And next class we'll be completing the topic, right? Yeah. Thank you so much and God bless you.